Welcome to Hook to Knot. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to make crochet gajra. For making crochet gajra, we will need yarns in two colors. I am using green for the central part and white to make the jasmine flowers. I am going to use 3.5 mm and 3 mm crochet hooks. 3.5 mm hook for making the basic chain and 3 mm hook for making the flowers. For making gajra, make a moving knot with green color and make chains as many as you need. I am going to just demonstrate you how I make this. So I am going to chain 20. Pull up the loop and cut the yarn. So I am going to make moving knot and join the white color in second chain from the hook. The first one I am going to leave it for finishing. To start my work, I am going to chain 3. Now I will do cluster of 4 DCs in the same space. So yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2. I have total 5 loops on my hook. I will complete the stitch and chain 3. Slip stitch into same space. Now I will go into the next chain. I will start with slip stitch. After slip stitch, chain 3. Again cluster of 4 DC. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 5 stitches on my hook. Complete the stitch. Chain 3. Slip stitch into same space. This is how my petals are going to get constructed in the chain. This is how I am progressing and putting petals or jasmine flowers in each chain, and as we will move ahead, it will start coiling like this. See how my work has started coiling up. Construct of this gajra is very simple. So make chains of whatever length you want. And then leave first chain for finishing. Second chain onwards, in each chain chain 3, cluster of 4 DCs, and then again chain 3 and slip stitch in the same stitch. Then slip stitch into next space. Again chain 3, cluster of 4 DCs, completed, chain 3, slip stitch into same space. This looks very beautiful. You can do very long, very short. The best thing about this Gajra is this is washable after every use and it is available 365 days. Alternatively, you can make same Gajra with different style. Let me show you the other style also. For demonstration purpose, I am just going to make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am leaving the loop open. If at all I need, I will do it later on again. Now again in the second chain, I am going to attach white color. Now here also to start with, I am going to do 3 chains. Now instead of making cluster of 4 DCs, I am going to make complete 4 DCs. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After completing 4th DC, I am going to pull up the loop little longer and go in the 3rd chain. Pull this loop from that space so that my DCs will close and this will be like a bud. Again, I will chain 3 and slip stitch in the same space. Again we will slip stitch into next chain, chain 3, 4 DC, after 4th DC, just pull this loop a little longer and pull it from the 3rd chain. When we pull this loop from the 3rd chain, what happens? It kind of closes the area and the bud is little pointing. When we do the flowers with cluster of 4 DCs, see this has got a little roundish shape and here you have little closed and pointed loop. This is my Gajra with four DC and pulling up from the chain 3, and this is my Gajra with cluster of 4 DC. Look wise, they don't look much different. Whichever way is convenient for you, please do it. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel Hook to Knot.